Got a vintage Singer Featherweight, model 221, with Cellar knot decals. Serial number is AF244294. Dates it to 1939. It's got the scrolled nose plate and a chrome ring on the balance wheel. The motor's been rebuilt, it's been rewired, and has a new drive belt. It sews pretty well. So basically I'm just going to, here the light all passes a tap test. That was all internally cleaned and tightened. So basically I just have 4 layers of denim, and just going to show you how well it stitches. See, it's got good speed control too. That was all internally cleaned. So as well back and forth. A little hard to see, but it's got an equal stitch on both sides.